Hi guys, this is just a quick test with the GoPro Mission 1 Pro, just to see how it records at almost dark. It looks quite bright, but I changed some settings afterwards. You will see a clip in a bit which is a lot darker. This was also almost that dark. So this is filmed in 4K, 25 frames, 400 ISO. Hyper smooth is off, clearly, as you can see from my shake. The clip after this one will show more how dark it really was. So after I filmed this, I changed some settings in the quick help. I made it a bit brighter, a bit more saturation, a little bit warmer, to brighten it up a bit, to see what is possible. And I have to say it's quite clean, but decide for yourself. Thanks for watching. I also have the Osmo Pocket 4, so I will compare them later on.